Guys, good morning. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Core Club. Sa agang oras na 7 a.m. Well, it's 6:58. 7 a.m. yung class namin. Na-late kasi ako last time so hindi ako naka-attend ng 7 a.m. That's why medyo natakot na. Hindi na ako natulog, guys. Yun yung secret ko. Mukha ba akong hindi natulog? Ito mga kasama ko din. Hindi din natulog.
2 hours lang din kami natulog.
Yan. Ganyan yung commitment namin. Na pag natulog kasi kami ay magtuloy-tuloy na yan siya. Yan. Yung isang eksenadora ay nandoon nagbibihis.
And it's being cloudy.
Na natin.
May pa-entrance yan.
Ay hindi, si Coach
Hi,
Val.
good
Si Coach Val pa lang yan.
Pero ba akong
Ayan na yan siya. Oh.
Di ba?
And we are, guys, channel namin yung inner fem side eh. Kasi, ay, balik na siya.
He gave me this. Kasi ano lang, ayun na nang makakakaroon.
Guys, mag-anniversary na yung Core Club. That's on Saturday. Tapos on Sunday, sa Mother's Day, you can bring your mom with you. That's 50% off. So basically, libre na si mom. So, bring your mom here.
Friendly.
Yan, malapit.
Friendly.
Ayan, tinatawag na tayo.
Wow, bongga na yan, no?
Ako lang to eh. Guys, mag-start na kami. So, pwesto ko na lang for montage.
Good. Hold and stay. Left na yung right leg. Tiptoe yung left heel. Nakatiptoe si left heel. Yes. Now push. Hold it. Now from there, when you bring the carriage in, I want you to extend your right leg on top of the foot bar, okay? Now bend the knee, extend the right leg up to the foot bar. Yes. And return. 2. Again, press it down. Bend your knees to your chest. Curl up more higher. Keep your arms reaching down. Curl up more. Curl up more. Muna tayo. Highest up your arms up to the ceiling. And exhaling. Press it back. Stay on top of your head. Just look forward. Chin up. Hold and stay. 6. Rock a walnut on your back. And return. Again. Good. Again, roll the hips, breathe. Exhaling, exhaling, exhaling. Push your stomach back, scoop the belly in, hold it. And round your body forward, forward, forward. 2. Again, hold it. From there, open your arms to the side. Hold and stay. From there, bring the shape in front, reach in forward, forward, forward. Push your stomach back. Good. Now bring your strap back where it came from. Then turn around tayo. Then change your spring to one loose spring. At your elbows, return. Again, push. Do not go past your hips, okay? And return. Keep it here. On your waistline. Elbows in. And extend, stretch. Again, push out, stretch. Pasok your ribs and stomach. And return. Again, stretch. And return. 3. Again, keep going. Bend. 2. And 1. Bend the knees, return back. Good job. Ingat. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good. Now, this time, we're gonna do your shoulder press. Push lang ng konti sa shoulder. Yes, and return. 2. Again, keep it going. Keep your plank. Push lang ng konti. Hold it. And return back. Good job. Ingat. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good. Keep the legs straight. And down to your plank. Hold it. Up to your bike. Breathe. Down to your plank. Up to your plank. Bike. Go. And down to your plank. And up to your bike. Again. Down to your plank. Up to your bike. Hold it, stay. Last one. Down to your plank. Hold it. Taas mo yung hips mo, sir Ken. Taas. Hold it, stay. Up to your bike. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it to your bike. And bring it down. Good job. Ayan. Ginagalingan ni Miss Pao. Nakapink kasi. There you go. Good job, guys. Okay? Bring your foot bar to the third level. Push, stretch, side bend. And return. 2. This is key. Push it out, stretch. Let's do your swan. Keep your head down. Slowly keep the arms straight. Lift your head and chest up. Keep the arms straight. Close the carriage in. Keep the arms straight. Good. And dive down. Stretch. Good. Come back to your center. Both arms up to the ceiling. Circle your arms around to the side. Turn around. Change. Other side. And return. Again. Push. Side bend. Then 5. One more. Again. Side bend. Stretch. Breathe. And return. 2. Again. Push it back. Stretch. Roll up. Up, up, up. Roll from your tailbone. Yung ulo. Arms up to the ceiling. And circle your arms around to the side. Good. That's your workout for the day. Good job. How was it?
Success guys.
Wala naman time siya.
Success coach.
Alam na guys.
Princesses.
Uy, Pao, mag-split ka ulit. Dito tayo, coach.
Ito ka mag-split. Galit.
Mag-split natin.
May story yung
Pag-split natin yan.
Mag-split siya.
Next time, send mo sa amin link para next time. Iba-iba tayo kulay.
Split ka na, sister.
Split siya.
Gumanon pa siya. Pumitik pa yun.
Bongga ba, coach? Oh,
Bongga.
perfect. Patag naman kami dyan. Guys, success. But... How was it, guys? How was
It
it,
was
sis?
good. It was amazing. Kinabahan ako dun sa biceps kasi nag-upper ako kahapon.
Ala, nag-gym ka ba? Ate Mish, how was it? Tumutunog, narinig ko yung kay Ate Mish ka, tumutunog yung likod
Malakas
niya.
ako ngayon kasi nag-cardio ko.
Ay, wow. Ako malakas din ako ngayon kasi hindi ako natulog. So, buhay pa ako.
Wala tayong mga tulog, grabe.
Anyway, guys,
Nahirapan si Ken dun sa
Sure. let's invite them sa anniversary, which is on Saturday.
Saturday, May
May
9.
9. So guys, mag-book na kayo kasi ang daming freebies, ang daming...
Sobra. May nakita ko mga tao.
Nakita mo yung mga nakita mo yung mga sponsors bigatin.
Skincare.
Primrosa will be there.
Bongga.
Ano yung mga skincare?
Catherine, you glow babe.
Uy.
Dami. Tsaka O-Tennis. Bongga. Yeah. So mag-book kayo tapos Mother's Day sa May 10. Bye guys! Bye-bye! O sige, nag-Pilates, tapos nag-McDo. Yan, ganyan siya. Ganyan yung mga trabaho nila.
Kainumin mo tong akin. Ito nila yung Babe, meron small lang. Ano pa maubos?
Guys. Ayan, pagkatapos mag-Pilates, sige, sige.
Ikaw lang yun, be. Ang dami na.
Guys, ako wala akong kinakain.
Ito lang ka tatangko yung meals.
Alakin ba to? Thank you guys ha. Ay, hindi yan sa akin. Ate Mish, kabag mo yan eh.
Take out ko pa na.
Guys, huwag niyo akong husgahan pag maghapon ko na to.
Buong diretso na yan.
So, ano nga? Ano ba? Oh, grabe yung justification nung pag-breakfast no? Okay, deserve. Ganon. Ganon guys, deserve. Huwag na kayong ano dyan. Ay, ano to? Vlog ba to na ano? Food vlog ba to? Video ko daw. Guys, nasa DNA na namin yun. So anyway, kain muna kami. Bye.